I found the perfect restaurant. Grab a friend or your partner and let's go to the XinTianDi Hotel. They have a pretty upscale restaurant on the second floor with an open kitchen where everything is freshly prepared. The buffet will cost you about $47.70 for two people. One of their main dishes is the hairy crab, which is very popular during the autumn season here in China. During the weekends, they have freshly opened oysters, and during the weekdays, they have baked oysters. My favorite part of this buffet is the sashimi section. The sashimi is thickly cut, and of course, for the meat lovers, there's plenty of grilled meats like beef, chicken, and duck. They also have unlimited dim sum, desserts, ice cream, and fruits. Don't miss this offer and let us know in the comments if you want to try this.